Ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy James back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to build an infinite iron farm. Let's get into the video. Right, so as I've done, you want to place a chest and then a hop going into it, a block, solid block, and then 2 pistons. No, not 2 pistons, 2 dispensers. And then you are going to grab your slab and place it on top right here like that. Then just trying to remember, okay, so move out the way, Mr. Horsey. And I want to grab your glass, go here, here, and here. And then you want to jump here, and here. Place that. There we go. Okay. No, I didn't actually say about it. No, I forgot to tell you. No, I didn't say. I was going to do another hopper. Knew there was something up with what I was doing. Going into there. Okay. Now you're gonna need to grab some carpet. Where is it? And then you're gonna crouch and place the carpet here. There you go, just like that. And then you're gonna wanna do this. Hang on 2 seconds, technical difficulties. Right, you're going to need to place a block there, and you're going to want to jump on. There we go. Grab your comparator. And then it should light up. And then you turn it off if it does. Okay. Now, I'm gone. Technical difficulties. Right, there you go. I'm going to want to play. How's this going to work? Hang on. No. Ah! Yes, did it. Okay. Sorry about that. Now, it should look like that. Then, just need to do this. Want to. Oh, my hand's getting achy, sorry. There you go. Now I'm going to grab one lava bucket, put it in. Now you're going to need to grab another lava bucket. Sorry about this. And, oh, where is it? Where is it? Where the hell is it? There it is. I'm going to want to place it in this one. Hang on. Right now what you need to do is go up here. You're going to want to grab your building blocks. Oh no, I'm not using them, am I? Here they are. Okay. Go. Why the hell has Cody spawned loads of dogs? I like it, but I don't in a way. Hang on. Then just fill this in. Okay. Okay, now you're gonna want to try and leave some chickens in here. But I already used a lot of your time. So okay, hang on. Now when you've got quite a few chickens in, you're gonna wanna close, no, wrong way. Hang on. Close it off with an Azaba. Now you can grab your pickaxe. And break all of this. Okay, 2 seconds. Right now, I'm going to want to, where is it? Here it is. Place redstone on here. Then you need to place redstone on this dispenser. Okay. Now you should nearly be all done. And there are the excellent baby chickens. Yeah, and you should be done. So don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one. Adios, amigos.